What if Melly gets the death penalty and later on we find out it wasn't him?
Well, that's a good question. I mean, that's part of the issue many people have with the death penalty. There is no room for any sort of mistake. And there is a distinct possibility that if convicted, he could get the death penalty because we know that the Governor DeSantis just signed a new law that says it doesn't have to be unanimous 12-0. It can be 8-4. And so it is a bigger possibility that that death sentence could be issued here. So if it's the wrong answer, and ultimately some of the other people that the defense pointed to who said might have been suspects in this case, but that the prosecution didn't go after them, if we find out later that someone else did it, or perhaps that, Henry did it and Melly didn't do it, whatever the scenario is, if you find something out later, it is too late if in fact that death sentence has been issued and executed. Now, I will say that it does take years because oftentimes there are appeals, as there should be, because it's a very final sentence. So hopefully, if it gets to that point, it's the right conclusion, but that is in fact a very serious problem with the death penalty. You have to be absolutely correct.
Yeah, definitely. And, a lot of people have a lot of questions about that lower threshold now for that law that Governor DeSantis just signed back in April. So this is just a recent thing that's happened.